In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the TubeAtlas software on your Windows PC computer. On this computer, we're running Windows 10, but it will work with previous versions of Windows as well. Now, the page we're looking at right now is the download page you will be redirected to once you've ordered the product. And what we have to do here is first enter in your email address that you used when you purchased the software. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we will see the download links for PC as well as Mac. So let's go ahead and download the PC version here. Just click the download PC software here link. Click that. And I'm using Google Chrome web browser. And it automatically will just go to my downloads folder here. Now, if you're not sure where to download it on your computer when you see this Windows Explorer kind of looking window, you can always just download it to your desktop. It's always easy to find on your desktop. For now, I'm just going to download it to my downloads folder. So go ahead and save that. And you'll see a little kind of message down here in the bottom of Google Chrome showing you that you've downloaded the file. Now, on previous versions of Google Chrome, I'm not sure if they do this anymore, but sometimes it'll give you a little warning here because you don't recognize the actual zip file you're trying to download from the internet, which is totally fine. You don't have to worry about my software having viruses or anything like that because I designed the software from scratch myself and I make sure there's nothing wrong with it before I put it online. So all you have to do, if you see a little warning here, you'll have this little button. You can click that. You just get that in view here. You click that little button and it'll say on here, keep file anyways or something like that. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on show in folder so I can find it. And this is the file that we just downloaded, the TubeAtlas /setup.zip. So the setup is contained inside of a zip file. So what we need to do is get the setup file out of the zip file. So a zip file is just a compressed file. So meaning that the setup file is inside of this compressed file. So all we have to do is get it out of there. And it's really simple to do that. In Windows 10 and also previous Windows versions, kind of all you have to do is just right click and then select extract all. And then it tells you, okay, where do you want to extract it? So we'll just extract it in the same folder destination that it already resides in. And it's saying we're going to also create a folder named the same name as the zip file. So let's go ahead and extract. And you can see here it creates this new folder. If you click in here, now here's the setup file. I do want to show you another way to do this. What you can do is you can actually just double click inside a zip file in Windows. So if you just double click and you can see inside the contents almost like exploring through files in the Windows Explorer. But remember, inside the zip file, this file in here is compressed. So I can't just double click this file and expect it to work because it won't. So what you want to do, another way to get it out of here is actually really simple. You just can right click and select copy. And now you can go anywhere on your computer and just right click and paste. So I can just go right click and in the white space here, right click and then paste. And I'll just stick it in the same folder and there it is. That's another way to extract the contents of a zip file on Windows. So let's go ahead and install it. All you have to do here is you want to right click and select run as administrator. Now if you right click and you don't see this run as administrator, don't worry about it. All you do is just double click this with your left mouse button. But I'm going to go ahead and right click and run as administrator. The first time you install it, you're going to see this little warning. And like I mentioned, you don't have to worry about my software having any problems with it. I personally design every product of my own, and I know for a fact there's nothing wrong with it. So you don't have to worry about that. So go ahead and just click more info, and then I'll say run anyway. And the installation should come up. There it is. And we'll go ahead and accept the agreement. Click next. Next. Sorry, this here, I'm showing you where to install it. So then you click next, and it says create a desktop shortcut, which is a good idea. I like doing that. And then click next and install. And it will install and it'll ask you to launch the TubeAtlas. So I'll go ahead and click finish and it will automatically start here. And the first time you install the software, it'll ask you for the same email address that you used when you purchased, similar to when we had to download it from here. So all you have to do is just stick in your email address, that you used when you purchased the software and click register. And then it will be fully registered on your computer, and now you can install it. And when you install new updates of the software, you don't have to go through the process of re-entering your registration email and things like that. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.